Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Breville Touch in the shop with us today. And pretty much it came in the shop because one, it was very dirty, so I did deep clean the whole machine and did a tune-up on the machine, replacing the older gasket. This one is your older gasket right here. Descaling your machine, backflushing your machine, clean out the grinder. I did the best that I can to clean out the whole machine. Also, replace the shower screen and then the gasket inside there. Cleaned your portafilter with Joe Glow. And yeah, also, the portafilter, when you grinded coffee, try to put it in here, in the group head, it would not fit. So what I did is I micro adjusted the tamper, because that's what determines how much coffee goes into your portafilter. So you do micro adjustments to get it higher and lower, and it'll stop itself when it reaches its limit. So I did put it more lower to your portafilter so that there's more space for your portafilter to fit inside of your group head. So we're going to test that here. And I'll try to show a rough estimate of the coffee rate before. And this is a one-shot basket also. Also deep clean. Very much deep cleaned your milk frother. I actually took it apart to clean it to make sure that all the insides were clean, but as you can see, there's more of a gap now when you grind coffee, so that your portafilter can fit inside of the group head, as you can see. Guides right there. Again, you don't want a lot of resistance, but there will be resistance when you put it through, especially with a new gasket. You have to wear it in as you brew coffee. But we're going to do a test shot. Right there. We're also going to test the hot water function. As you can see, it's brewing well. It's going to stop at 25 seconds. Usually how a one shot is timed. Here's that for you. As you see, a normal one shot, looking great. This is what I test coffee also, so I tried to fine tune it a little bit to our coffee, but we're going to clean that. Then we're going to add milk and let it steam, as you can see. Also, some of your steam spouts were clogged, so I did, with a needle, open all the holes so that all the steam spouts can have it. As you can see, it's shooting almost in an X. It was only shooting 2 at a time when it came in, so I did also clean that also. It's kind of hard to see when you can't lift it up, but yeah. Now it's going to auto clean. And then we're going to test the hot water function. Now it's going to pull hot water to the back. And as you can see, everything's working well. Thank you for the repair, and if you like this repair or any other of our videos, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.